In today's video, I'm going to show you how to favorite bases in Airtable so you can cut through the clutter and get straight to your most important projects. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, go ahead and open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll need to log into your account, so click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage. This is where all your workspaces and base cards are displayed, giving you a bird's eye view of everything you're working on. Now, find the base you want to favorite. This is the specific project you access most often. Hover your mouse over that base card, and you'll notice a small star icon appear in the corner. Click that star, and the base will instantly be added to your Starred or Favorites section at the top of the homepage. The beauty of favoring a base is that it doesn't move or change anything about the base itself. It just creates a convenient shortcut. Once you've favorited a few bases, you can open the Starred section anytime to quickly jump back into them without scrolling through long lists or switching between workspaces. Feel free to repeat this process for any other frequently used bases you rely on day to day. A handy tip here is to keep your favorites list limited to only the bases you use most often. Overloading it with too many will defeat the purpose, so be selective and prioritize what truly needs to be at your fingertips. If you ever need to unfavorite a base, simply click the star icon again. It will toggle off and remove the base from your starred section. This makes it easy to rotate your favorites as your priorities change. And that's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to favorite bases in Airtable, giving you a faster way to navigate to your most important projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.